Transform your outdoor space with *150 new home garden landscaping ideas for 2024 *. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy backyard patio or a vibrant flower-filled oasis, this video has something for everyone. Discover innovative ways to elevate your home garden with cutting-edge designs and eco-friendly tips that will wow your neighbors and please your senses. Bouquet. Get inspired to make the most of your landscape, featuring breathtaking trends and practical hacks for all skill levels. Home garden landscaping can significantly enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. Here are various ideas to consider for creating a stunning home garden landscape. 1. Themed gardens. Cottage garden. Create a charming, informal garden filled with an array of flowers, herbs, and vegetables, often with a rustic charm. Zen garden. Incorporate gravel, rocks, and minimalistic plants like bonsai trees to provide a tranquil environment. Tropical garden *. Use lush plants, palm trees, and vibrant flowers to create an exotic atmosphere. 2. Garden pathways. Stepping stones. Use natural stones or patterned pavers to create a winding path through the garden, guiding visitors and adding visual interest. Gravel walkways *. Easy to maintain and can be shaped in various designs, gravel pathways are great for casual settings. 3. Plant selection. Home garden landscaping plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal, functionality, and value of a property. Here are some key points highlighting the importance of home garden landscaping ideas. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Visual attraction. A well-landscaped garden enhances the visual appeal of your home, creating a welcoming and attractive environment. Personal expression. Landscaping allows homeowners to express their personal style through the selection of plants, colors, and design elements. 2. Increased property value. Curb appeal. Attractive landscaping can significantly increase a home's curb appeal, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Return on investment. Professionally designed and maintained landscapes can offer a high return on investment when selling the property. 3. Environmental benefits. Biodiversity. Landscaped gardens can support local wildlife, including birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects, contributing to local ecosystems. Backyard patios can serve as an excellent extension of your home, providing a space for relaxation, entertainment, and outdoor activities. Here are a variety of patio design ideas to consider. 1. Paved patios. Natural stone. Use materials like flagstone, slate, or limestone to create a rustic and elegant look. Pavers. Interlocking pavers are versatile and available in numerous colors and patterns, allowing for creative designs. 2. Wood deck patios. Decking. A wooden deck provides a warm, inviting feel. Consider using treated lumber, composite materials, or reclaimed wood for sustainability. Raised deck. A raised deck can offer views of your yard while maximizing space, especially in sloped areas. 3. Concrete patios. Stamped concrete. Concrete can be stamped and stained to resemble stone or brick, offering a durable and customizable surface. Don't miss out on these incredible tips and trends that make gardening in 2024 unforgettable. Subscribe now and unlock the secrets to creating your dream home garden. Your outdoor oasis awaits. Hope you enjoy watching it. If this video is helpful for you, then share it with your friends and family members. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and for more such updates, stay connected with us, and be the part of home decor design ideas.